Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name's Aaron Apple, I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Now in today's trading video we're going to be discussing one of our longer term trading strategies. When I say longer term, pretty much anything over 24 hours is classed as longer term in the Forex market. So the reason for that is obviously because of the liquidity in the Forex market. So you don't necessarily need to leave trades in for a very long period of time in order to make good profits. So we've had one trade which has been closed out. We've had another trade which is still in play. Okay. Now both these trades combined have come in to produce over 100 pips so far, and possibly more depending on what this open position does. So we're going to be going through what it is that we provide and how these trades were sort of given at the start of the week. So firstly, for anyone who hasn't watched our videos before, we provide one-to-one mentoring on how to trade in the Forex market, and we also provide a members area by which clients can log into each and every day and be provided with technical analysis, fundamental analysis and trading opportunities. So I'm going to take you to the members area first. So the members area is as below. So we're going to scroll on down. As you can see, you get daily chart analysis as we scroll on down. So we provided some daily chart analysis and we always provide this at the start of the week, so on the Monday. Now there was daily chart analysis provided on the dollar, yen and euro dollar. As always, we provide on every currency pair, but the first trade that I'm going to show you is the closed out trade, which was on euro. So on euro, this is the chart that was provided, and you can see on the chart it says BPC in play with retest of trend line, and here it says two potential BPC areas to trade. Okay. So the first BPC area to trade was the breakout of the trend line. So this is the area that came into play. I'm going to take you to the chart to show you this trade live first. So we're going to go to the euro. So this was the trend line that was marked up. So I've drawn the trend line coming through in here. Now the breakout occurred right here, as you can see. Closes well above the line. The pullback occurred here to the retest of the trend line, and the continuation occurred here. Now you might say, okay, well that's only continued at 50 pips, Aaron. So how many pips did you actually take? Well, for anyone who's watched our videos or for anyone who's a client will know that on these BPC or longer term reversal trades, when a trade goes into at least a minimum of 40 to 50 pips profit, we tell clients to move their stop loss to break even and to start scaling out of the position and to take some profit. So as a bare minimum, majority of clients, well all clients, should have taken their profit, a part of their profit out when the trade had reached the 50 pip mark, and moved their stop loss to break even. So that's why we say at the moment the trade has been closed out, because now the price has returned back to that level, so therefore it's come back to that break even mark, but they guaranteed themselves money because they banked their profit whilst it was there. So it's pretty much banking yourself part profits at 50 pips, which is fantastic, sort of banking a number of pips in. So that was the first sort of BPC trade that came into play, and that's one which was a really nice trade, very very simple as well, with a methodology behind that, an easy breakout, waiting for the retest and then going on for the continuation. The second trade that we had was a dollar yen trade. Yes, it was a dollar yen trade. So dollar yen trade just here. So we can see that again we've got a daily chart. We've got quite a few levels marked up. Now the levels that are marked up on fib levels are shorter term levels, and the levels that are marked up outside of the fib levels are longer term levels. Okay, so it's pretty easy to figure out. So you can see here you've got a longer term level here at 108.70 because it's not marked on any fibs. Okay, it's outside of any fibs. As you can see, the others have been marked up. So 108.70 is a longer term trading level. So it basically means if the price comes to 108.70, it's telling our clients that you should look to go short there. And your target should be your next support region, which is here around the 107.50 mark, 107.75. So if we look at the chart and we go to dollar yen, and we come to this longer term chart here. I'll just get rid of a few lines just to make it a bit easier and zoom into the area. You can see that this is the area just here, 108.70. So price comes into 108.70, and you can see for the next 3 days it's been bearish. So at the moment it's 56 pips in profit. The target for this trade is here, 107.50. Okay. So 107.75. So that's the target for the trade. So it's approximately around a 90 pip target or so. Yeah. About 90 pips is what we're looking to target on the trade itself. So it's already over halfway towards the target. The break even will be, the stop loss will be moved to break even, and part position will have been taken out of this trade already. So you're looking at two very, very simple trades that were given at the very start of the week, that all you would have had to do for the breakout is just observe it breaking through the line at the end of the day, and for this reversal you would have just simply had to place a pending order. So no matter what type of job you've got, it should be very, very simple in order for you to be able to take these trades around your daily routine. Now you might be thinking, okay, well that's great, Aaron, why are you showing us this if we don't have access to it, if you're not a client? Well, the good thing is if you're interested in this type of service that we offer with the members area and the one-to-one mentoring, we actually provide you a free test run on a consultation call with the trader. So that's where they'll take you through all the aspects of our service, take you through the members area, and take you through the daily analysis. The way to do that is you go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com, and it will look like this. And you go to the top right hand corner where it says free consultation. You can either click there, or you can leave your details here just on the home page, name, email, phone number, and book your free consultation. That will then pop the details through to us. We'll get one of our mentors to get in touch with you, so to take you through a brief of what we do. If you like what we do, we'll book you in for a full consultation call. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Really do appreciate that, and we wish you all a wonderful weekend, and hope you all try and stay out of the current miserable weather that we've been having. Alright, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we'll speak to you next week. Thank you.